So it's almost 8 o'clock at night. I'm gonna do a quick nighttime clean with me. I will say this, the only way to not have any dishes in my sink, well, other than that little mixture cup there, is to get anything that's wrapped in its own container. So we had McDonald's for dinner tonight, so that I don't have dishes, so that's a good thing, so I can concentrate on other stuff. But this is the kitchen. Kind of just have to clean off my table. My sweater always just sits there. But yeah, breakfast from this morning. I'll get to it. Living room isn't too bad. Just have some laundry to put away. My daughter's boyfriend got a saw. If it stays here much longer, I think I'm just going to make it part of the decor. And yeah, watching some Sex in the City, thinking of cutting my hair, so I figured I better get up and do something, right? A little more laundry to put away. Hey guys, that's about it. So let's do some cleaning.
So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I wanna stay with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
So in an effort to try and combat my paper clutter, I've been putting my mail here on the end countertop, and that way it's right near kind of where my scissors are. Although I should set up something where I can just drop the mail, have a letter opener, although the scissors are working, so kind of if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And why buy something else to clutter up my countertops? But I'll just go through it real quick, throw out what I have to, try and put away what I need to, and shred what I don't need. And that's where I always have a problem. I still have a huge pile of shred. Even though I just got a shredder, I just have so much of it to go through. And again, I think it's my years of banking. I hold on to papers for some reason. I need to break that habit somehow. I will. I promise I will break this habit. Here's another frugal habit that I've gotten into. This canister of Clorox wipes, it's empty, but there's still a lot of the Clorox liquid left in the bottom. So I'm just going to take my paper towels and kind of soak out what's left in there, because even though I can find the Clorox wipes now, they're not on sale. And if you know me, I'm not buying anything that's not on sale. So this is kind of one of my little frugal hacks, I guess you could call it.
Tonight's on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day.
I'm going to do a quick bleaching of my sink, and I'm also going to have a video up in the cards here showing forgotten places to clean. One of them is if you have a spray nozzle on your kitchen sink. I always forget to clean this, and that was one of those things. It gets really gross there. Even though it's just water coming out of your faucet, for some reason, it just gets really gross. So maybe flip that over and kind of give it a brush next time you're cleaning your sink.
But you see the real me. Since I let you in under my skin, I'm more free than I have ever
Although I know not the best option for dinner, the commercial got me. The darn commercial. I saw one of their cheeseburgers and I was like, you know what? I could really go for a cheeseburger. It was just me and my son this night. My daughter was at work, my husband at his work. I wasn't going to make a big meal for just him and I. I mean, if he had asked me to, I would definitely, but it was kind of easy to just grab it, not gonna lie. Darn commercials.
And days turned into nights on the couch. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. I want to be there and baby dance the night away.
So now that the kitchen is halfway decent, I'm just going to put away this laundry that I have sitting on the back of the sofa, and then I have some cleaning cloths that were sitting on the love seat. I'm just going to fold them up, put them away, kind of just go through and get everything put where it belongs in here, so that way I can just run the vacuum real quick.
Good time looks like you can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
I can honestly say I had forgotten how much I love this Shark vacuum. Not sponsored, just something that I really like. I thought I'd share with you guys. This vacuum is old too. I've had this for probably 5 or 6 years. The floor nozzle went on it and they were really good about replacing it. That's why it's two-toned. I use this, which I'll link up above, in my car video because I needed something that was going to last me more than the half hour that the Dyson battery pack does. And I got my Dyson, I think 2 years ago, Black Friday, really good sale, and I do like it, but I like my Shark. And I know being tethered to the cord can sometimes be annoying trying to get around the house. For me, my house is so small, I can go through my whole house on the one plug in the center. But just wanted to share that with you guys.
I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can.
Alright guys, so there you have it. I guess I could have made this a power hour because it took me about an hour. And I got done what I wanted, which is to get the kitchen clean, although, joke's on me. I'm not doing it until tomorrow. I'm rebelling. Kitchen table's pretty much cleaned off. It's amazing how, even though I had no dishes, it still took me a half an hour to get the kitchen cleaned up. So, oh well. It is my life. I've learned to accept it. So that's the kitchen. All kind of done. And I will say, this is my pile of stuff. I just got some stuff from Amazon that I'm going to show you guys. And then I have a project that I'm doing with this. I saw on another YouTube channel that I'm going to decorate my room with. So let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing that. Alright guys, and here's the living room, front room. So that's, this is my new centerpiece here. I'm assuming there's going to be lots of projects done, so let's see. Maybe I'll record some of those. So I got this pretty much straightened up. The one thing I will say, a con about leather sofas, I love leather. I love my leather sofas just because they're easy to wipe clean. I don't have to worry about stains and spills, a little bit of pledge or something. Hi guys. And they're great. However, pillows never stay out, always slide down. That's my only con with a leather sofa. So I got this all done. Taking here. This is my mess I still need to put away. And put everything away that was in here that was just laundry that needed to put away. I have to come in and show you guys this because other than this corner here, don't look at that. You don't see that. It has stayed relatively clean. This is always a hot spot for me. So this has stayed pretty nice. This is just paperwork for 2020 that I have to put away. Alright guys, and I'm going to give you a little sneak peek into what my next video that I'm working on. And that is this closet. This is a small closet in the hallway next to my bathroom, and it is a mess. This is where I keep all of my towels and everything for the bathroom. So we're going to go through this because there needs to be a better system. So that'll be in the next video, or maybe 2 videos from now, because I have a video for cleaning out my car, because my car was a mess too. So look, see? Don't see it now. Door shut. Can't tell.